Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can switch on or off the low latency mode of your Technics earbuds. So to do this, in the application you have to go to the settings, and then you have to go for this connection, and you have to go for the suppression of the sound and interruptions and delays. And when you are here, you can simply go to get the low latency mode by going to the suppress sound delay. Below we can also find the small description of this function, and below you can find the interruption of the sound to increase the quality of the sound. So that's how we can use this low latency mode, and that's how we can also get a little bit more sound quality. There's also the automatic option. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.